Oh, woke up this morning, and again, for the second time, I have a bat in my apartment. Kind of feel bad for him, and then at the same time I don't, because it's a bat in my apartment. Even though he's latched on my fan right now, trying to keep cool apparently. I guess the attic is not good enough for him. So I gotta get rid of this mofo, even though he's about to lunge at me. He knows I'm on to him. Well, it's dead. I'm gonna have to. That's right. Look at me, dude. Because you're going outside. Oh shit, motherfucker! Don't try to play Batman with me. Yep, now he's back over there. Yeah, I'm getting a jar, getting his ass out of here. Nonetheless. Yay me. I gotta deal with first thing in the morning. Fucking bat. That's nice. Yep. I'll just get a jar. And hopefully he don't catch me. Yeah. I have a feeling he's gonna catch on to me. And then I walk over to Mr. Supersonic here. And I'm gonna have to run like a little girl. Hopefully this plays out well. Yep. Angry bird. Alright, you sit right there, buddy. And you're in jail. And I am not. Gotta get the bottom of that. He's like, I'll put one on your rug. Just let me stay here. I know it's gotta be hot, but hey man, I gotta do what I gotta do to find shit how to get up there. There you go. I won't be in there long. I'm gonna take him outside, get rid of him. Get his own place. Yep. Anyways, back down. Going outside. Just showing you know I'm really letting him out. There he is. Deal with this. 2 beds. 1 month. Ridiculous. More likely he'll get back in the building. Get all mad and I'm gonna throw him out because I don't want him to find on it. There he is. There he is, and there I go. Well, apparently he likes the steps. He's not moving from it. I ain't going out there to find it. Okay, yes I am. Oh damn, he's a ninja. He done crawled down underneath the steps. Okay. Yeah. He's under the steps in a hole somewhere. Whatever. Alright, dude.